Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through 10 best remote jobs for beginners. So the first one we have is customer support specialist. This is a digital nomad stream. What's the gist? You will be a friendly voice or text that guides bewildered customers through the murky waters of technology. Pro tip: patience is a superpower here. Con: brace yourself for the occasional irate customer, but hey, you learn to channel your inner Zen master. Number 2, the data whisperer. Who do we call the data whisperer again? That is data entry specialists. You retain the wild beast of data by meticulously entering information into spreadsheets. Here you get a chance to develop your inner eagle eye for spotting errors. It's a valuable skill, trust me. Con is a repetitive task, and it can sometimes feel like Groundhog Day, but hey, at least you're not stuck in an office cubicle. Number 3, the freelance writer's paradise, which is content writer. The gist: you get a chance to unleash your inner woodsman by crafting captivating blog posts, articles, and website copy. You get to build a portfolio that showcases your unique writing voice. Think of it as your digital resume. Con: finding consistent clients can feel like a never-ending game of Where's Waldo. But let's just move on to the next one. The virtual assistant's versatility. That means the job as a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you will be the invincible superhero behind the scenes, assisting busy professionals with everything from scheduling to social media management. Pro tip: you develop a Swiss Army knife of skills. You never know what a client might throw your way. Fun. Get it? It's a bit fun because it's never a dull moment here, because you don't really know what your client is going to ask you to do. So you always be on your toes. Now let us look at the cons. Expect a varied workload, which means you will be juggling tasks like a circus juggler, juggling different tasks. What are you doing today? What are you doing tomorrow? But it'll be interesting, I assure you. Fun and interesting. Never a dull moment. Moving on to number 5, online tutor. So you are the teacher's helper. Some people like this. Now what's the gist? You get to share your knowledge and ignite a passion for learning in eager students. Pro tip: be patient and enthusiastic, because your enthusiasm is contagious. Okay, on the flip side, it requires excellent communication and the ability to explain complex concepts in a way that even a 5-year-old could understand. You need to develop the skill. Next, we have on number 6, we have the transcription whisperer. That is transcriptionist. Now, what's the gist of this? You get to decipher the mysteries of the spoken word by transcribing audio and video files. Pro tip: invest in a good pair of noise cancelling headphones. Believe me, your ears will thank you. Next, let's look at the con. It can be monotonous at times, but hey, at least you're contributing to the written word. That's a good thing. Number 7, the social media maven. That is social media manager. You become a social media wizard, crafting engaging content and building online communities for businesses. Pro tip: stay up to date on the latest social media trends. This field moves faster than TikTok dance. Con: it can be a 24/7 job if you let it, so you always have to remember to unplug and recharge. Moving on, creative soul. That is the graphic designer. This job helps you unleash your inner Picasso by creating stunning visuals for websites, social media, and marketing materials. Pro tip: invest in a good design software like Canva or Adobe Creative Suite, and it gives you a chance to hone your artistic skills. Sounds like a great job. Many people think so too, because the competition can be fierce. So make sure your portfolio is busted with creativity. Let's go to number 9, the tech whiz. These are website developers or designers. You get to build beautiful and functional websites using your coding superpowers. Pro tip: start with the basics like HTML and CSS, yes, and gradually you expand your skill set. The con: this world is constantly evolving in technology, so you have to continue learning. Continuous learning is key. You cannot stop. Develop yourself. Be current. But get to build beautiful and functional websites using your coding superpowers. I think it's a great job. Next we go to number 10. Number 10. The language guru. You are a translator or an interpreter. We can call you a translator or an interpreter. So let us see, what do? You bridge the language barriers and connect people from different cultures. So you become fluent in multiple languages and you get to explore niche areas like medical or legal translations. Before you can go into this, you have to be meticulous. It requires meticulous attention to detail and a deep understanding of cultural nuances. So, these are just a few of the many remote job opportunities available. The best option for you will depend on your skills, your interests, and career goals. I hope this list packs some exciting career ideas. Now go forth and conquer the world of remote work. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. We would love to hear from you, so don't forget to write in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.